Welcome back, little chess champs. Today we are meeting the most important piece on the chessboard, the king. Are you ready to discover how the king moves and why it's heart of every chess game? Let's get started. King is the leader of your chessboard. If you lose your other pieces, the game continues. But if your king gets trapped, it's game over. That's why it is so important to keep the king safe and make smart moves. The king is bit like the queen, but it takes things slow and steady, moving fast one square at a time. It's like the king is taking a thoughtful stroll around the board. The king can move forward, king can move backward, sideways, and diagonals. But here's the catch. The king can only move to the square that are safe. No stepping into danger zone where it could be captured. Let's explore the king movements on the chessboard. King may move slowly, but its position on the board affect how many options it has. When it comes into the center, let's say here, it is in the happy place. When the king is in the center, this is the happy place from here. The king can move 8 square around it. Let's calculate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When it comes into the king has fewest move, just 3 square. 1, 2, 3. When the king comes into corner, let me keep it here. It has 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similar to here also. When it comes here to the corner, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squares available. So how the king moves around other pieces? So like most chess pieces, king can't jump over other pieces, can't land on a square occupied by the own team. Let's check out some examples. In this position, white king can move to b2, b4, d2 and d4, but not to the squares occupied by the other white pieces. In this position, the black king has just one move, that is b8. These options are limited because of nearby pieces. In this example, the black king is surrounded by its own piece and it has no move at all. The king must stay cautious and find open spaces. In this example, the white king can only move to f1 or h1 as the other squares are occupied by their own team. The king's strategy will be slow but smart. The king might not move fast, but every step counts. It stays cautious, avoid obstacles, and move wisely to stay safe. Great job, little chess champs. Now you know all about how king moves and why it is most important piece on the board. Keep practicing and remember, your king's safety is always your top priority. Happy learning, little chess champs. See you next time.